Hello, everybody. Today we are going to talk about animal idioms. These are idiomatic expressions which will have animal in between, and we'll see how exactly animals can be linked to human beings. We can use such idiomatic expressions. So let us go one by one. The first one being monkey business. Now look at a monkey. A monkey is deceitful, he is funny, he keeps around and does something very mischievous. So when we say a human being, when we look at a person who's doing something very strange, very funny, very deceitful, we call that as monkey business. So let's look at the example. The teacher asked the students not to do any monkey business while she left the room. I mean, it's like not to throw tantrums, not to disturb the class. That is what it is meant here in this case. So, the next one, when we look at this, a rat race. Rats are considered to be docile, but they are busy with some kind of very routine activity, mundane activity. So, if we see people copying each other and doing the same thing exactly like them, we call it as a rat race. So, this is a very typical example. Do not enter into the rat race of earning money and taking the charm out of life. Follow your passion. That means you are not supposed to follow in any kind of rat race. Don't copy others. Be different from them. Do not engage yourself in any dull or mundane activity, a routine activity. Cat burglar. Like a cat is sly, does not make a sound. So, a burglar or thief who goes into and climbs higher buildings without making noise is called a cat burglar. So, here when we find a thief climbing up, in the example where we say Mr. X found his laptop stolen and the police suspected that it was a cat burglar who climbed to fourth floor and stole it. We mean the person might have climbed like a cat silently. So he's called a cat burglar. Next one, top dog. So dog, here in this case is not derogatory. It's the message is that the person is very important in the group or in the company. So a person who holds important position is called a top dog. When I went for an interview, I was astonished to find a simple looking person to be the top dog of the company. Somebody who's holding the important position is a top dog. The next one, cash cow. Now it's not meant for a person, it's meant for a project, a work, a job which gives money or it is a profitable business. So, cash cow, because cow is considered to be a useful animal, so we can call it profitable. Like, and it is meant for jobs, it's not meant for a person. So, he had many businesses, but the coaching at the heart of the city was his cash cow. That means that coaching was giving him more money than the other projects that he had. So this cash cow stands for a project or job which has got profit. Next one, it's meant for a person, eager beaver, like hardworking and enthusiastic as a beaver. Beaver is an animal, so like him, if a person is very enthusiastic and hardworking, this term is used for him. Reena is an eager beaver on job, so she is often given a challenging job by her manager. She's given a challenging task by her manager. She's an eager beaver. She is keen to work and she is bubbling with enthusiasm every time. She's also diligent or hardworking. Road hog. Look at a pig. Does that pig look around? He keeps moving in one direction and he's a dangerous one. He can cause accidents. So here when we call somebody, a person, a road hog, we mean that that person is a very bad driver, is a very dangerous driver. So road hog is indicative of a person who's not good at driving. The accidents that occur on roads are usually due to road hogs. Black sheep, a person with a bad name, a person with a tarnished image, a person who's got something very inferior. So that quality black is indicated with that, and usually sheep are considered to be white in color. So if a person is not good for some reason or the other, he's called the black sheep. It's a very common one, common idiomatic expression. So look at the example. The youngest one is the black sheep in the family among all the brothers in this family, as he has been to jail. So this is the black sheep, the last idiomatic expression. That is all. Thank you, students.